So first of all, I want to thank Brian Dean for the idea here from backlingo.com, and he calls this the skyscraper technique, and it involves looking up previously written articles that have done really well, have gone viral, have had created a lot of shares, a lot of links. And the easiest way to find those types of articles for any keyword is to use this site here called buzzsumo.com. And once you're at BuzzSumo, all you do is type in a keyword. So for example, let's say you ran a travel blog and you want to find all of the highest rated or most shared articles having to do with vacation spots, right? Because you want to do a post on the best vacation spots and you want to know how you can top these really viral articles. So it's going to bring up all of the articles for the past year, past week, month, whatever you change it to based on the number of shares. And you can also sort it by whichever social media platform is most valuable to you. So if you go down the list, you can find the ones that are relevant. And let's go ahead and open up a couple of these. So maybe you don't want to be too specialized, just focusing on England. There's 15 gorgeous vacation spots. Let's go ahead and open that. And the 30 best swimming spots around the world. We'll open that. And basically you're going to be looking for commonalities between these, things that you noticed that might have made them go viral. So let's see if we can find anything's in common between these two highly viral articles we pulled up here. So first thing, the pictures are really big. Second thing I noticed is that there's not really any text except for the names of the places. I don't know if you'd want a vacation in a volcano. So here again you have large pictures and not much text, just the names of the places. So it would make me think that that might be a good idea for my post. So we focused on Facebook shares here really because a large portion of the shares were from Facebook, which is naturally going to happen. It's the largest social network. So let's focus on Twitter shares, and this is Topsy.com, and it ranks articles based on how many tweets they got, how many links, photos, videos, etc. And you can set it to all time like I'm doing on the left. You can do everything, which will combine all 5 of those things, or you can just do links, how many people linked to this article. You can set your language. And basically you're going to be doing the same thing here as you did with BuzzSumo, except you can find what works best on Twitter. So if that's your main social media platform, that's where most of your visitors for your site are coming from, then maybe you want to focus on this. So you would do the same thing here. You just look for another article that had a lot of shares, compare it to the other two, and find some commonalities. So I think what we have here is that pictures work really well. So if I was doing a post, I'd want to create big pictures, not a lot of text, and possibly more than 30 spots. So once you're done creating your article or finding ideas for your article, you need to market it, right? You need to advertise and let people know about it. So a good spot is plus.google.com/communities, and you just look for groups in here based on a keyword. So if I looked up vacation, it's going to bring up all the groups that have to do with vacation. You can see there's one there that almost has 200,000 members, 79,000 posts, and all you do is click join, and then you're in the club. And then you get to post, and hopefully 200,000 people see it. And the ones at the below aren't as big, but Dream Vacations would be a great spot to submit that article. You can also go to reddit.com, and you create a profile on here if you don't have one already, and you could submit a new link or a new text post. Reddit has a lot of users, and they love pictures. So you want to submit it on all of these highly visited websites. And you can do it more than once. You don't just have to submit it and then pray. You can also use tumblr.com. You can use Facebook groups, so you go into your Facebook profile for your business or your personal account, and then type in whatever keyword you want to go down to find all pages related to vacation. You can see here almost 50,000 members, so you could like that, join that group, and then start posting your article to it. Here's StumbleUpon.com, and this is a paid site. It's a very cheap way though to get more visibility for your posts. I mean, essentially what you're doing here is you're finding the articles that went viral, you're looking at them, and you're going to make them better. You're just going to have to top whatever it is they've done, and then submit it to the places that it was shared by, and to all of your major social media networks, and any other blogs or forums or message boards or places where people share your type of content. Typically, if somebody shared something before and then they see something that's even better, they're probably going to share that too. So you're going to get a lot of likes and shares and plus ones and a lot of social media signals that are going to help you with SEO.